Hi guys, I'm getting ready for a date with Bobby. So, ito yung susuotin kong shoes. Kitten shoes siya. Super cute. Medyo sneakers yung vibes niya, but may takong siya. So cute. Pwede siyang pang casual, pwede siyang pang formal, which I love. Ayun. So cute. Ang ganda din ng color niya. I think I got the bone color. Okay, so, ayun. I'm just getting ready. I still don't know kung ano yung bag na gagamitin ko. I think I'm gonna go with this one. This one. Medyo formal kasi pupuntahan namin. Sa Blackbird kami kakain. So, bagay ito sa dress. Ito kasi parang medyo casual or edgy look. Hindi siya bagay sa dress. And I'm just packing all of my things na mga makeup ko, of course. Alcohol. Wallet. Tapos si Bobby, pero tinahi ko siya. Like, medyo tinaas ko. I don't know if you guys can see it. Anyways, papakita ko sa inyo mga accessories ko. So, these are my accessories. Ultra Human, Pandora, Daniel Wellington, and Anne Klein. I'm just waiting for Bobby and then gonna head out na. Yes!
Yun lang po.
Yun lang na lang po. Thank you po.
Thank you.
Chocolate ba yung order natin last time?
Pero yung chocolate yung sarap.
Legit? Parang hindi ko pala titikman yun.
Ah, shit.
Parang hindi ko pala titikman yun.
Natikman mo na yan.
Oo, napralo ko.
Dati yun yung order. Tig-isa tayo sa vanilla isa.
Alam niyo ba yung favorite ko dito sa Wendy's? Yung nuggets nila. Kung hindi niyo pa natikman yung nuggets nila, sobrang sarap. Merong time, sobrang na-addict ako sa nuggets nila. Every time na pumupunta si Bobby sa bahay, may dalang nuggets. So, nung nakarang araw, nagpadala sa akin yung Samuel ng mga tangkingis and bikinis nila. So, I'm super duper excited to show it to you guys. This is just gonna be a quick haul ng mga pinadala nila sa akin. I super duper love tangkingis. Na-realize ko na pwede mo siya suotin kapag bloated ka, especially after mong kumain, tapos mag-swim ka kaagad. Usually kasi after ng lunchtime or kapag dinner time na alam kong bloated ako, nagwa one piece bathing suit ako. Pero, dahil meron akong tangkinis, ito na yung susuotin ko. Yung sobrang cute nila. Let's start first with the pink ones. I have two pink tangkinis. The first one is this one. Color pink siya. How cute kasi, guys! So, first time ko magkaroon ng pink na tangkinis or parang bikini. So, this one is super cute.
Ang ganda ng texture niya. Textured siya. So you guys can tell. I love this kind of cut sa mga tops because etong pavi, nagkakaroon niya ng illusion sa katawan mo. So I super duper love this one. So cute. And then, of course, tinatali siya dito sa likuran. You guys don't have to worry about yung bra nyo because I guess lahat naman ng mga bikinis or tangkinis, lahat naman sila is may paddings. And of course, meron siyang pair na bottoms. So, ito yung bottoms niya. Same lang yung design. Sakto yung lapad niya, though. Isa sa mga wino-worry ko kapag nagbabay ako ng mga bikinis online is yung sa bottoms niya. Baka sobrang nipis. But I'm super duper happy na sakto yung size ng bottoms. Like, hindi ako mamomblema sa kung ano mang pwedeng sumili. Another bikini that I got, or tankini that I got, this one, guys. Oh my gosh, you guys are gonna love this. So, yung top looks like this. Ang cute ng cut, guys. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? Ang cute ng cut. And then, what I love about this is, you guys can also wear yung strap or pwede nyo din siyang tanggalin. For me personally, mas gusto kong may strap kasi if you guys don't know me, kapag nagsiswimming ako, talagang nagsiswimming ako guys. Sumisisid ako, nag-mermaid-mermaidan ako. So ayan, nag-enjoy ako sa pool. Talagang swimming kung swimming, okay? So mga tangkinis na ganito, like mako-cover niya talaga yung pagkaka-bloated mo. And hindi maiiwasan guys, hindi maiiwasan yun. It's okay kapag bloated ka. So ganito yung likuran niya, hindi siya na-adjust. So I suggest na if bibili kayo ng netong tangkini nito, make sure na right size yung kukunin nyo kasi hindi siya na-adjust sa likuran. And then, ito guys, ito yung bottoms niya. Sobrang cute! What the heck? What the hell, guys? I love this one. Sobrang cute. It's giving Kikay vibes. Look at that little slit sa skirt. Cute! Tala niya is textured then, and then may flower. I like mga ganitong design na very clean lang. Next is, let's go naman sa medyo mga wild choices ko. I also got this animal print. I usually don't go for animal print, but you know what? Let's go crazy. The color, it's really giving. Ganda ng kulay niya, guys. Same lang siya doon sa last na pinakita ko, but this one, iba lang sila ng design. By the way, see-through yung dito sa may baba, as you guys can tell. And then, again, you guys can remove yung strap here. Actually, pwede nyo tong gawing pang forma when you're out and about sa beach. And then, ito naman yung bottoms niya. And meron din siyang slit here. I think I got the size small. Yup, sa lahat ng mga bikinis na tinatry ko. Lahat tayo size small. Next naman is this one. Tangkini again siya, but this is the last tangkini. Very cute yung design niya. Ang cute ng ribbon niya here. Super cute. Laid ba ang tawag dito, guys? Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry kung hindi. If you guys look closely, there's also texture there. Hindi lang siya yung parang slick tignan. Meron siyang texture which adds detail to it. And then what I love about this top is ma-adjust mo siya sa likuran. Pa-V yung neckline niya. So kung may ganun kayo, that's good. And then, yung bottoms niya is like this. Meron din siyang ribbon here. Textured din siya katulad nung texture nung top. Last but definitely not the least, super love this one. Brown siya na bikini. I don't have a brown bikini pa, but what I love about this, it's a set. Tatlo sila. Triangle top siya. And then, ito yung design niya. And ito naman yung bottoms niya. String din yung pangtali. Same lang yung design with the top. I think wala pa akong brown na bikini. So, I love this one. And last but not the least is meron siyang skirt. Oh my gosh! I love this one, guys. Ganda ng design nito. Hindi lang siya yung plain na brown skirt. Hindi lang siya plain. Meron talaga siyang design. Parang embroidery. Tama ba? And it's kind of see-through, but that's the whole point. So, that's it, guys. I super duper love it. Sobrang cute, guys. As in, hindi ko alam kung anong pinaka-favorite ko. But if I were to pick, oh my gosh, I honestly don't know. But if I were to pick, I think this one. I think ito yung pinaka-favorite ko sa lahat. I will definitely wear this sa summer. Super excited to wear it. Again, thank you so much, Samuel, for sending this over. I love everything that you sent sa akin. Lahat ng mga bikinis or tangkinis na pinakita ko, I'll put them down below so you guys can check it out. And I also have a discount code that you guys can use when you're checking out.
Paano kaya to? So, matapos na yung ulan. Coffee shop.
After kong mag-gym, naligo lang ako and then kumain na ako ng lunch ko. That's why medyo basa pa yung buhok ko. I don't know if you guys can tell, but medyo basa pa siya. Day 1 ko sa gym ngayon. Day 1 ko na naman sa gym. I want to be more consistent sa pagiging active. Isa yun sa mga na-realize ko. If you guys don't know, yung work setup ko is hybrid. Once or twice a month lang ako nagre-report sa Makati. So, most of the time talaga, nakaupo lang ako dito sa chair ko and hindi ako masyadong nagkagalaw. Yung katawan ko, I feel like I'm getting old. Yung katawan ko parang, I don't know, parang I don't feel good na sa katawan ko. Sabi ko this year talagang mag-focus ako sa health ko. But ayun, this year yung resolution ko is to take care of myself more. Self-care talaga, like hindi lang pagiging active again sa lifestyle, hindi lang sa active lifestyle, but also like body care, you know, yung mga ganon. So, ayun, basically, ayun lang yung gusto kong i-share sa inyo guys. I'm just watching some vlogs, but habang nag-watch ako ng vlogs, I think mag-update din ako ng planner ko. I need to do that para lang maging on track ako sa mga need kong gawin and wala akong makalimutan. So, that's the mini pep talk.
Akala siguro nila yung pang ano to. Wala masyadong lasa yung miso soup. Hindi siya masyadong malasa. Hi guys. So dito ko sa GH Mall sa Promenade. Meron kasing bazaar dito sa Bobby. So sumama lang ako. But I still have work to do. So mag-work ako sa cafe. Also, excuse the face. Wala akong makeup today and hindi ako nag-fix ng hair ko. That's why medyo covered yung mukha natin. But I'm gonna work sa cafe. I brought my iPad with me. So let's go. This is the fit, guys. Top is from Zaful. Shirt is from Uniqlo Kids. Sweatpants is from TikTok Shop or Shopee. I forgot na about. This is the fit. Chill work day for me, pero sa cafe naman. Tumula ako sa isang cafe para gumawa ng work ko. May mga need akong asset na gawin. So, I need to lock in and focus. Nag-order lang ako ng coffee. Second cup of coffee ko na today. Hindi na natin kung magpapalpitate ako. Pero feeling ko hindi naman. Ito yung usual kong order. Yung ice white chocolate mocha. Cheers! By the way guys, this is like one of my favorite purchase this month. Itong iPad keyboard. If you're like me, na nasa hybrid setup, no, once or twice a month lang nag-on-site, this is very good. Lalo na sa nature ng work ko, sobrang need ko to, especially if nag-on-site ako. And every time na nag-on-site ako, I have multiple photo shoots. Minsan pupunta ako sa Trinoma. After ko mag-Trinoma, pupunta ako sa Robinson's Magnolia. And then after nun, Shangri-La. And then after nun, back again sa office namin sa Makati. So, paikot-ikot siya, always on the go. And if you're from Makati, you guys know kung gaano ka-traffic doon kapag rush hour. It's either mag-grab car ka or mag-aangkas ka. So if nakaangkas ako and laptop yung dala ko, sobrang bigat. So super happy with this purchase na I can bring it everywhere and sobrang lightweight. So ayun, I'm just gonna do some work.